This question comes from 6.3. It's question number 5. And it says use the table of power series to find the Maclaurin series for this function. So looking at our book, there is a table. Let me bring it up here. And it looks like this. It's table 6.1. And so the function that we're looking at is f of x is equal to the cosine of 5x. That's the one that I have. So I see here that there's a function cosine of x, and we have the Maclaurin series right here. So we can take these formulas and we can use them to find additional formulas for power series. So I'm going to write this over under my problem. So the only difference here is that this is 5x. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite this, but in place of the x, I'm going to put 5x. So here it was x to the 2n. I'm going to put 5x to the 2n. And then I'm going to use some exponent rules to simplify this. So this will stay the same, the negative 1 to the n. Here I will have 5 to the 2n and x to the 2n over 2n factorial. So let's keep simplifying. Negative 1 to the end. Here I'll have 25n and then x to the 2n over 2n factorial. And this will be the answer to this type of problem. So this is what I would, this is my Maclaurin series using the table of power series.